Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive clip showing you how to do an Octopus Bounce. It's going to be really helpful if you already know how to do an octopus. Link in the description below. Assuming you're ready, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, and 4 to finish. So let's break it down. From this side is probably going to be more helpful for you to begin with, so we go back to 2 hands. Starts as a standard octopus. We bring the lady through in front and go to 2 hands. Right hand going up, guys coming in, turn left, we get the guy through in front, back to 2 hands. This is where it changes. We're bringing the lady through in front, we don't let go with the right, the left goes over the top, guys actually go past the lady, and our weight going left is what stops the lady going right. We're going to bring the left hand down as well, so we can now bounce over to the other side and look back at our partner. One more time to the left. This time we're going to lift the left hand as we send the lady left to come out, and then we finish with that final pass that we interrupted. Ladies through, and the octopus is finished. Okay, so let's think numbers. We'll do it from this side so you get the other view. We go back to 2 hands 1, lady in front 2, 2 hands on 3, guy in front 4, 2 hands on 5. Now we're going to bring the lady through and block 6. Hand is coming down, we switch sides 7, and again 8. Rolling the lady out 1, and then we're just going to bring the lady through 2 and 3. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, a 6, an octopus bounce. We go a back, a lady in front and catch, guy in front and catch. We go a block, bounce, bounce, out, through, and look. If you want to put an extra count in on the exit, that is absolutely fine. You'll find with a bit of experience you don't need it, but certainly the first couple of times you might find you're a count later than we were. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive move. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you to everybody who does that, because it helps promote the channel, so much appreciated. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.